Wow, Paul, this place is the cat's meow. How'd you hear about it?
Johnny told me about it. Said it's a nice place to take a keen girl like you. You look really hep today. I just want you to know you're the cherry on the top of my sundae. And will you go steady with me? Please tell me that's a good laugh.
Of course I will. You're a silly goose sometimes, you know that?
Let's make it official, shall we? Come on, silly. How does P plus M equals love sound?
Sounds good to me.
What the?
What is that?
It looks like teeth.
What do you mean teeth?
You know, chompers, chewers, mashers, teeth.
Let me see them. Raunchy. Should we call the police?
Do you know what this is?
Who are you?
Listen, Dweezil, I don't know who
This is the work of the teeth-eating bird, the most dangerous animal in these here parts. It'll stalk its prey like a polar bear in a snake pit.
Paul, let's just get out of here. It's raining.
Exactly. The teeth-eating bird only comes out when it's raining.
But I've never heard of no teeth bird.
TeethBird's heard of you, Sonny. You can bet on it. The only thing it leaves behind is a set of teeth from its victim. You better watch out now. Better watch your backs.
Paul, let's just agitate some gravel and get out of here.
No, it's fine. It's just some crazy guy. Those teeth probably weren't even real. I don't want to ruin this day. It's already raining. I don't want to ruin our perfect day anymore. It's Johnny.
He has no teeth.
This be the work of the teeth-eating bird.
There is no such thing as a teeth bird. You did this, you sick freak.
And how could I do this, girl? This be the work of the teeth-eating bird.
What was that?
It's the teeth bird. And it's coming. Run!
No!